Okay, go ahead.
So what they are doing is to prevent the rain.
Okay.
So that they can have good weather. So
Okay.
that the rain will not disturb. Yeah. What they are doing. If
The
you look
Shango
at it,
festival.
yes. If you look at it, the run is like the weather is changing. The rain is about. You see, the sun is coming out.
Right.
Understand? So that's just to tell you how powerful this little activity.
Okay. So what is it? It's grass.
Yes.
Mud.
It's a special type of grass.
Okay.
You understand? And looking at it with that, we'll see the weather will change soon.
Okay. And what's this sauce that he's pouring on it?
It's palm oil.
Palm oil.
Yeah.
Okay.
Instead of vegetable oil, we use this to eat. Maybe
Okay.
tomorrow, when we are cooking in the morning,
Right. We'll use this.
I will use this.
Okay.
I will taste it to see how it looks like. Understand?
So miraculously, it was just pouring. It was just raining very hard.
Yeah.
He made this, and now the sun is out. Can you tell everyone where we're at currently?
We are in Imesile, in Obokun local government. In Obokun local government, within the state of Osun.
And we're here for the
in
Shango
Nigeria,
Festival.
For Shango Festival. Look at this.
What's the importance of the Shango Festival?
Shango is the god of thunder, rain, and everything. Shango controls that. So appeasing Shango is one. If there is rain, there will be good harvest. If there is good weather, things will not be. You know, thunderstorm and all these things. Shango, if they appease Shango, all those things won't be happening. You understand?
Now, what exactly is this called? Like, what would you call this? What he made, to create it to stop the rain?
Yes, it's prayer to stop the rain.
What would you call it?
I don't know the name. Let me call. Wow.
What is it?
The question is, what would you call this? What's the name of this contraption?
The way they did this, this one is just to hold rain.
Right.
Yes, rain.
What would you call it?
We call it a MOJO.
A MOJO?
Yes.
Okay. And the purpose of a MOJO is to
MOJO,
stop the bad weather. And the sun came out. When he did that, it was because we were on the way here. It was thundering.
Yes.
He did that, and now the sun is out.
You look at the sun that comes out now, just like that.
Wow.
Yeah. I think you can see. So not until they fall it like this, maybe they remove it. The rain will come. If they don't they remove it for 3 days, the rain will stand still like that, and the sun will stand still.
Okay.
Only you have night, and when it is tomorrow again, the day will come out and rise up, and there won't be any cloud. I think you understand. So this is what we call a MOJO, and this is one of the powers of our forefathers.
Okay.
Yeah, these are the beauty of Africa. These are the beauty of Africa. So it's a science of its own.
It's a science.
Yeah, so you can see.
That's it.
If you put 2 things or 3 things together, I mean, when you put 3 elements together or 2 elements together, it gives you a compound. See, you understand? Can you see sun coming?
Absolutely. It's hot. I'm burning.
Yes, very, very burning.
I'm burning now.
Yeah, you can see. This is science in Yoruba, in Africa. Africa has its own science too. Can you see?
I see it.
This is MOJO. MOJO or a MOJO. That's just it.
A MOJO.
A MOJO.
How do you spell that?
You said?
How do you spell it?
M-O-J-O.
So you know, in English, we use the term mojo.
Oh yeah, you said it.
We use the term mojo, which means magic.
Yes.
So that's probably where this term came from. Well, I mean, that's where mojo came from.
Yes,
mojo.
I can say this is magic.
Right. So mojo came from a mojo.
Yes.
Oh wow.
So this is magic. Can you see?
Yes.
This is magic. I can call it magic.
Right.
Yeah. This is magic.